Watch this video until the very end to bring ultimate change to your life by changing the way you think. Welcome back to Rewire Reality. Before we begin, I would like to ask you to subscribe as we upload new videos daily. You may witness people who have exactly what appears to be an ideal life, a caring family, a beautiful home, a fantastic career. However, if these individuals are filled with unfavorable thoughts and ideas, he or she is not able to fully enjoy what life wants to offer. This person might be focusing rather on what is missing out on or exactly what seems to be going wrong. The one important thing in life we have direct control over is new thoughts on life to feed our ideas, and our ideas script how we experience life. You may likewise know of someone who has actually dealt with a difficult situation, lives a humble yet successful life, works on his career diligently, and regardless of what adversities rise up in his/her, the scenario turns brighter. These kinds of people are always processing new thoughts on life, constantly have a smile, a wave, and an appreciation for everything good in life. The bright side is, regardless of our present scenarios, we can exercise the power of choice for new thoughts on and how we react to any circumstance. We can decide to be favorable, caring, and unfavorable, or appreciative, judgmental, and crucial. Acknowledge exactly what is occurring and stop yourself when you find yourself caught in negative thinking. Ask yourself one or more of the following concerns. How is this negative attitude keeping you from positive change in your life? Am I ready to let something beyond my control consume my thoughts and ruin my day? Is there something you can do to change your thoughts about this to make it much better? How can I turn this unfavorable thought into new thoughts on life that favor positive outlook? There are many books that change your thinking, teaching new thoughts on life, encouraging that 80 to 90% of our perceptions and thoughts are ego-based and wrong-minded. One book states, the ego is quite literally a fearful thought. It represents a delusional system, and speaks for it. If you find that the majority of your thoughts are negative, it is since you allowed them to make themselves at home in your mind, so they can now play as recordings, over and over again. You might discover it hard to shut them out, even though you want to. Since 80 to 90% of what we think of as habitual, you can develop new ideas to replace the unfavorable ones and develop new thoughts on life. An excellent location to start is by scripting a scene in the play called Your Life. Another book states, whatever you accept into your mind has reality for you. It is your acceptance of it that makes it real. Each time a negative idea enters your mind, acknowledge it, then discover a favorable one to replace it. Now, this won't constantly be easy, however it can be done. You can be as conservative or extreme as you like. The next time you are confronted with an unfavorable thought, begin taking control and making new thoughts on life. In the well-known words of Henry Ford, whether you think you can, or think you cannot, you're right. Remember, every time an unfavorable idea enters your mind, acknowledge it, look at it without judgment, then find new thoughts on life. If you've made it this far and believe in the concept of your thoughts control your life, then please leave a like. Also, please don't forget to subscribe as we upload daily. Thank you.